Hello and welcome to All I Need to Know. In this video, I'm going to answer some of the most frequently asked questions related to dishwasher and also the facts which we need to know before buying a dishwasher. Is dishwasher suitable for Indian kitchen? The answer is yes. Dishwasher is very much suitable for Indian cooking. In dishwasher, you can use stainless steel vessels, pots, kadais, cooker pans, glassware items, ceramic materials, and Tupperware quality plastic also. Is dishwasher required? The answer is yes. Dishwasher saves your time and energy. It cleans, rinses, and sterilizes the utensils and gives 99.9% germ free vessels. Dishwasher is best compared to hand washing. Due to this COVID situation, dishwasher is more useful and more relevant in today's timeline. Is dishwasher fits in an Indian kitchen? Yes. Modern dishwashers just take 60 centimeter, which is around which is 2 meter. So in a small size also you can fit dishwasher. Does dishwasher clean the vessels? Yes. All types of oil, masala, stains which are very common in Indian cooking are cleaned completely in dishwasher. It uses hot water up to 70 degree. So it cleans the vessels completely. What are the common associated required for dishwasher? Yeah, for dishwasher you need dishwasher powder, rinse aid and salt. Or you can use tablet which is a combination of dishwasher powder, rinse aid and salt. Is borewell water or hard water suitable for dishwasher? Always soft water is recommended for use. But if the water is hard, then salt usage will be more in the dishwasher. You can use hard water. What will be the monthly expense of the dishwasher? It depends on the wash cycle. Per day, if you use a single full load cycle, then monthly cost will be around 800 to 1000. This includes your powder, rinsed and dishwasher salt. If you use more number of cycles and heavy load cycles, then the cost may change. How to get effective wash in dishwasher? To get the effective wash in dishwasher, you have to follow some simple steps. Before loading your vessels into the dishwasher, always make sure that you remove all the extra food before loading them. Placing the utensils as recommended, like placing the plates in the plate section, keeping the spoons in the spoon basket, arranging the teacups in the tea section will always give you better wash quality. And using the right amount of powder and rinse is always best. Does dishwasher consumes more water? No. Dishwasher takes 7 liters of water per wash cycle. Average dishwashing by hand takes 40 liters of water. So using a dishwasher actually saves your water. Does dishwasher saves energy or it consumes more energy? Dishwasher saves energy. It just takes 1 kilowatt power per cycle. Maximum energy which is used is 1.6 kilowatt for a bigger cycle. Is there any specific pattern to load the dishes? Yes. Dishwasher uses spray arms. So lightly soiled utensils should be kept in the below rack. Lightly soiled utensils needs to be stacked in the upper rack. There are the trays provided to place your spoons and plates. So you need to place your spoons and plates in the provided racks for getting efficient wash. Is dishwasher costly? No. Monthly expenses of dishwasher is less compared to hiring a maid. Can I operate a dishwasher? Yes, it's very easy to use a dishwasher. For first few times, you have to follow the instruction provided in the manual. Then every next time, just you have to follow the steps and load the all your utensils into your dishwasher. What type of water connection is required? Normal tap water connection is required. It is as same as any washing machine connection. How much time it takes to load the dishwasher? Maximum it will take 10 to 15 minutes to load the dishwasher. Can I combine multiple type of utensils in one wash cycle? Yes, you can combine multiple types of utensils in one wash cycle. For example, in a same wash cycle, you can put stainless steel, Tupperware quality plastic, glasswares. How much rinsed and salt is required? You will get a notification light once the rinsed and salt is over. So you have to refill the rinsed and the salt into your dishwasher once you get the notification. How much time dishwasher takes to clean the vessels? It depends on the wash cycle which you have selected. The minimum wash cycle time is 30 minutes and the maximum wash cycle time is around 3 hours. What is the maintenance required for a dishwasher? Once in a month, you have to clean the exit filter in the dishwasher to avoid the stinking and clogging. Just you have to remove the exit filter and clean it under the running tap water. And for every 3 months, you have to clean the dishwasher with dishwasher clean powder. Where can I buy dishwasher? You can buy dishwasher in any home appliances showroom or also you can buy the dishwasher online. Many brands are available in India which provides modern and efficient dishwasher. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions related to dishwasher, please post into comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.